She ends.
Step 1. Find the width of A. Under your Elements tab, click the line element. Use the mouse to zoom in. Click once, twice, select Apply. Click Next, once, twice, select Apply. Click OK. Go to Basics. Line to line, click line 1, click line 2, place the measured value. Input design value plus upper and lower tolerance limit. Be sure to enter the minus sign for the lower tolerance. Step 2. Find the diameter of circle B. Return to your Elements tab, select the circle element, and click 3 places to define the circle that you're interested in. Select Apply, click OK. Now go back to your Basics, select the circle, click on the object you want to measure, and place the values. Simply enter the design value, as well as your upper and lower tolerance specs. Step 3. Finding an angle. To find an angle, treat it as 2 lines. Go to your element, line to line, select 2 locations, select Next, select 2 more locations, select Apply, hit OK. Go back to your Basics, select your angle, click the first line, click the second line, place the angle. Type in your design value, as well as your upper and your lower tolerance. Step 4. Find the radius of curve D. Under Element, select Arc. Click 3 places at the beginning, middle, and end of the arc, and select Apply. Click OK. Go back to Basics, select Arc, click on the arc, and place the measured value where you want it to appear. Input your design value, enter upper and lower tolerances. Find measurements A and measurements B, which is this slotted hole. Go to Elements, Line Tool, select one edge, click Apply, hit Next, select the other edge, click Apply, and just click OK. Let's do the arcs. Click on the Element Arc tool, select 3 places, click Apply, select Next, click 3 places, click Apply, and hit OK. Now we go to Basics, line to line, click on one line and the second line, place the measured value where you'd like it to appear. Input a design value, enter upper and lower tolerances. Circle to circle, click on the 2 arc sections, place the measured value. The center of the circles will automatically be calculated. Type in the design value and the upper and the lower tolerance. Click OK. Let's take a look at this circle, which is out of round. Under your Elements, select Circle, click 3 places around the circle to define it. Click Apply, and click OK. Go to your Basics, Circle tool, click on the circle, and place the value. Select Maximum to get the maximum inscribed circle. Hit Next, click on it a second time, and place the value somewhere else. Select Minimum will give you the minimum inscribed circle. An error message will pop up. It's simply informing you that it's getting 2 different circle measurements out of the same circle. Go into your calculator, select your max, minus your min, and enter in your tolerance value. In this case, we have a max, so we're just going to enter in our upper tolerance spec. Click Apply, and select OK. Find A, B, and C, these intersection points. Under our Elements, we're first going to define all the lines of our actual polygon. Once we have the lines all in place, we can go under Virtual Figures, Intersection, and create the actual intersection points of each of those locations. Click Next to repeat the tool. Now we're ready to measure. Go back to Basics, Line to Point, select the datum line, select the first point, and place the value. Input the design value, as well as the upper and the lower spec limits. We're going to select Next, select the datum line again, the next intersection point, and place the value. All we have to do is change the design value. We don't have to put the tolerances in again as long as the tolerances stay the same. Select Next, click the next datum line, the point, place, enter in the new design value. Distance between two circles in direction A and B. First thing we need to do is put in our coordinate setting. Select our datum 1 line and our datum 2 line. In this case, our x and y's are reversed from where they need to be, so we'll select reverse to place them in the correct orientations. Go to our Elements tab, Circle, and define the undefined circle. Click 3 places, and select Apply. Go to our Basics, Circle to Circle. Click on one circle, click on the second circle, and place the measured value. Select Horizontal or Vertical to define it. Simply hit Next, click the circle a second time, and select Vertical. Now we can input a design value and an upper and a lower tolerance spec. Click OK. To change the tolerance spec on a previous measurement, just double click on it. Input the design value and the upper and the lower tolerance spec. Measure the true position. In order to do GD&T true position, we must have a coordinate setting. In this case, we already do. So we'll go into our GD&T, click the actual circle itself, place the value where we'd like it to appear. Input our distance in x, and note that the direction of the letter x indicates which side is positive. Therefore, we're in the negative quadrant on our x orientation. Our y orientation puts us in the positive y orientation. Put in our design value, and click Apply. Select OK. To finish our program, we'll simply click Register Pattern, register a portion of the part, and then select Save Settings, turn off Inspect Sync Marks in Flash, click OK, and name it.